Hello everyone, I'm Isan. In this video, we'll look at some of the latest WhatsApp features which are very interesting for you to know. The WhatsApp application has just launched several new features that you can now use in your WhatsApp application. Okay, now let's take a look at all the latest features. The first and most exciting feature is video calls, which now includes effects that you can change directly in the WhatsApp application. When you make a video call with the latest WhatsApp application, there are several new features you can use. The first feature helps a lot if you are in a dark place during a video call. You can turn on this new low light mode by pressing the button at the top when video call. By pressing this button, your video will be brighter than before. And then next to it, there's also a new touch up mode icon. This feature helps you smooth your facial skin in the video. This feature can be used to disguise the pores and details on your facial skin on your video calls. So your facial appearance on video calls will look a little smoother. Then at the bottom, there's also a new filter menu in this latest WhatsApp update. So you can now use Instagram style filters during video calls directly in the latest WhatsApp application. Then besides changing filters during a video call, you can also now change the background during a video call. This feature is similar to the background option in the other video call apps like Zoom and Google Meet. With this latest feature, you can now blur the background or choose interesting background image during a WhatsApp video call with several quite interesting image options. You can now choose several background options in the latest WhatsApp application to change your background appearance. Then if you have changed many settings during a video call and want to return it to the default setting, you can just tap on the Reset Settings button. Then the second feature, which is also very interesting, is the new feature to like WhatsApp story or status. When you see your friend's WhatsApp story or status, now you can immediately love their story by pressing the love icon in the bottom right corner. When you press the love icon, your friends will be notified if their story has been liked. Then when your friends click on the notification, the like story will open, and there will be a green heart animation that will appear from the bottom of the screen. Then in the latest WhatsApp update also includes a new feature for creating events in WhatsApp groups. With the latest event feature, now you can set up an event in WhatsApp group and invite your friends to join right away. Here, when creating a new event, you can name the event and add a description, and you can also choose the date and time for the event. And you can also enter the location information directly right here. At the bottom of the event option, you can also activate the WhatsApp video call link, which will be available at the scheduled time. For WhatsApp calls option, here you can choose whether it's a voice call or a video call. Once you're done, you can send the event to your WhatsApp group. And then here, each group member can then respond to the event, letting you know if they can attend the event or not. Then the new WhatsApp update also introduced a feature called favorites. You can use the favorite features to pin the contacts you chat with the most. You'll find the favorite contact on the top of the list on the call sections on the far right. So when you want to make a call to your favorite contact, you can quickly find the contact at the top. To access your favorite contact setting, you can press more on the top right section. In this section, you can also adjust the positions of your favorite contacts. Apart from that, here you can also delete favorite contacts or add new ones by pressing the icon at the top right. And then there is also another exciting WhatsApp feature called AI Sticker. With the latest AI Sticker feature, you can create your own stickers from scratch just by typing the words. For example, if you type smiling Spider-Man, the AI Sticker feature will create sticker of a smiling Spider-Man for you. You can also create a crying Spider-Man sticker by typing crying Spider-Man. And then you can use the generated sticker directly in your WhatsApp chats. Then there is also a new feature that lets you transfer chats directly. This feature allows you to transfer chats directly from one phone to another without backing up to Google Drive. And then the latest WhatsApp update also includes animation for certain emojis. To see these animated emojis, you need to use the latest version of WhatsApp. And then send emojis as usual. And then the emoji you send will appear with an animation. All of the features shown in this video are from the beta version of WhatsApp. If you want to try these features and they are not available in your WhatsApp application just yet, you can download the beta version of WhatsApp from our Telegram channel. You can also click the link in the description of this video. However, even if you have installed the WhatsApp beta version, it doesn't guarantee that the features will be available right away on your account, because they are rolled out gradually and will become available to all accounts over time. And then if you want to check out more interesting features in the WhatsApp application, You can tap on the video that appears on the screen. I hope you find this video helpful. See you in the next one.